Well, right here is where the tornado touched down, pretty much in the center of Goodman. Now take a look at this. You can see huge sheets of tin here that were ripped off roofs and crumpled like cans. And walk with me, let's show you this. And also the tornado ripped apart trees and snapped power poles like twigs and left a lot of debris for people to clean up. Now the emergency manager tells me people here did not have much warning. Emergency managers estimate the tornado left a path of destruction for 3 miles. People only had minutes to get to safety.
There was probably 3 minutes worth of warning. We actually got the spotters out, we got the tornado sirens sounded, and probably within 3 minutes we had the tornado on the ground.
2 fire stations were destroyed. Right now, neighboring departments are helping respond to emergencies. Downed power lines are still a problem as crews work to fix them and restore power. Today, firefighters went door to door to check on residents. Emergency managers estimate approximately 50 homes were damaged.
Not destroyed, major shingle damage, roof damage, trees, into the side of the houses, things like that. Not flattened.
And as we told you, there were no major reports of injuries, but the emergency manager said one person, when they ran from their house after the tornado hit, the emergency manager tells me that person fell and broke their leg. Live in Goodman, Brett Rains, 4029 News.